السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معكم إبراهيم ياسين، أستاذ مساعد القلب بجامعة الأزهر القاهرة. Now it is the time for the second episode of 1 minute tip. What to do in a case like that? It is a focal eccentric lesion in a posterolateral branch. When I tried to pass this lesion with a BMW wire, I failed. I shifted to a BT2MS wire, which lead to dissection and acute vascular occlusion of this branch. So I decided to go directly for ADR and knuckling of a BT2 wire with a support of balloon. Ideally, I need a microcast for the exchange of a wire after that, and use a polymer jacketed wire like Pilot Filter XT or Gladius, which is the best in knuckling for controlled knuckling. Knuckle wire BT2 entered spontaneously into the distal branch, which helped me in this case is artery, is a distal artery, so no chance for loss of a major side branch. So you have to avoid knuckling in a proximal large artery to avoid loss of side branch or mini side branch, who is not preferred in our work. In a distal artery, the chance of re-entry is higher than in a proximal artery. Failure to re-enter spontaneously, which fortunately here it occurred spontaneously, but if didn't occur, this indicates the use of dedicated re-entry device, which you need a contralateral injection with a retrograde filling, which is not present in acute situation, so it will not work except IVAS guided puncture, which may help. Other option to use a different wire with a different curve, with a usage of a microcaster to help you to find a channel, especially it is an eccentric channel as mentioned. Use of different wire. The best wire in a dissection is the SO3, but you may use hybrid coat wire like Ransoro or Cyan Blue. Other option to puncture this dissection flap with a stiff wire like CB or CB12 or a Gaia third, but is not safe, and still knuckled wire is more safe than it. So with knuckled wire, it is spontaneously re-entered in the true lumen with immediate restoration of a flow. Then after that stenting. Then this is after stenting, and this the final fantastic result. So you may use a CTO technique in a non-CTO situation. Knuckle wire is safer than stiff wire, especially in acute situation where there is no retrograde filling. STAR is accepted in distal artery as no side branch to lose. STAR is working well in diagonal and OM branch, especially with presence of tortuosity. And thank you.